The goal on this problem is to rewrite this difference of signs as a product. So two things multiply together. I've gone ahead and listed out all the sum to product formulas or difference to product formulas over here on the right-hand side. In this case, because we have sine of something minus sine of something, we're going to use the second version, sine of alpha minus sine of beta equals 2 sine of alpha minus beta over 2 times cosine of alpha plus beta over 2. So to get into it, I'm going to identify 4 theta is what I'm going to use for alpha, and 2 theta is what we're going to use for beta. Kind of lines up with our formula. So in filling in to the formula, it's really not that complicated. Don't overthink it. It's going to be 2 sine of alpha minus beta. So alpha in our case is 4 theta minus beta, which is 2 theta, all over 2, multiplied by the cosine of, again, just using this formula, alpha plus beta all over 2. So alpha 4 theta plus beta 2 theta all over 2. From here, it's a little bit of reducing down, but we're almost there. So I'm going to bring along the 2 multiplied by sine. And then we can say 4 thetas minus 2 thetas gives us 2 thetas in the numerator, still over 2. Multiplied by cosine of 4 thetas plus 2 thetas makes 6 thetas in the numerator over 2. So we get 2 sine of, reducing down a little bit more, 2 theta over 2 is equivalent to just theta, multiplied by cosine of 6 theta over 2 is 3 thetas. And that's as reduced down as this is going to get. We're going to leave this 2 outside. It does not come inside of either one of these functions. It's just a constant multiple on the outside. So I hope this helps out as you're getting used to the sum to product formulas or difference to product formulas. Good luck.